What if I tell you that the device you check hundreds of times a day, the smartphone in your pocket, might not be the center of your digital life in the future, and instead, something you wear on your face could take its place? Because for the last decade, smartphones have barely changed in how we use them. We still look down at a screen, scroll endlessly, tap notifications, and stay distracted. And even though phones are powerful, they demand our hands and our attention all the time, which is why many people believe phones are reaching their limit. And this is exactly where smart glasses enter the conversation. Because smart glasses promise a more natural way to interact with technology. By putting information directly in front of your eyes, instead of pulling you into a screen, imagine walking down the street and seeing navigation appear in real time, receiving messages without touching your phone, talking to an AI assistant just by speaking, capturing moments hands-free, translating languages instantly, and staying connected without constantly pulling a phone out of your pocket. And this is not just a concept anymore, because companies like Meta, Apple, Google, and others are already investing billions into this space. Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses already allow photos, videos, calls, and AI interaction. Apple Vision Pro shows the long-term direction of spatial computing, and brands like XR Real and Roku are pushing AR experiences further every year, which clearly tells us that smart glasses are not a trend, but a long-term shift. However, this is where we need to be honest, because smart glasses are not ready to replace phones yet. Battery life is still limited. Prices are high. Privacy is a major concern, since cameras are always on your face. App ecosystems are small compared to smartphones. And let's be real, not everyone wants to wear tech on their face all day. And on top of that, most smart glasses today still rely heavily on smartphones for processing, connectivity, and control, which means phones are still doing the heavy lifting in the background. And when you compare them directly, smart glasses are excellent for quick tasks like navigation, notifications, voice commands, and AI assistance. But smartphones are still far better for things like gaming, content creation, long videos, typing, and deep work. So instead of thinking of this as smart glasses versus phones, it makes more sense to see it as smart glasses working alongside phones. Just like smartwatches didn't kill smartphones, but changed how often we use them. And this leads us to the real answer to the big question. Smartphones are not going to die anytime soon, but they will change. Smart glasses are likely to become the primary interface for quick interactions, while phones slowly move into the background as a backup device, something you use only when you really need a screen. And if we look ahead a few years, we'll probably see a future where from 2026 to 2028 smart glasses and phones work together closely. And by the early 2030s, glasses handle most daily tasks, while phones exist mainly for power users. So the future isn't about replacing smartphones overnight. It's about reducing our dependence on screens and making technology blend more naturally into our lives. And now, I want to know what you think. Do you believe smart glasses will eventually replace phones, or will smartphones always stay with us? Comment yes or no below. And if you enjoy future tech, smart glasses reviews, and honest comparisons, make sure to subscribe because more videos like this are coming soon.